So let's be honest, not every photo in your phones need to be visible in gallery. So today I'll show you how you can hide your photos in gallery without deleting them and without needing any third-party app. It's simple, quick and works on almost every Android phone. So let's get started. So option 1 is to use your phone's built-in feature. Many phones like Samsung and Realme have a hide album option. For that you have to open gallery and then go to albums. Then you can select the album you want to hide. You have to select the folder you want to hide, like I want to hide that Bunnies folder. Then tap on it for few seconds depending on the launcher or mobile model you are using, and then you have to tap on hide and click OK. So this folder won't show in your gallery anymore, but the photos and videos are still on your phone. And to access them you have to just simply drag it to release to open private folder, and that's how you can access them. And if your phone doesn't have these features, you can go to file manager and create a new folder and name it something like dot hidden pics and add a dot at the start end. More photos here or videos or any large file you want to add there. Most gallery apps won't scan folders that start with a dot. This won't stop tech savvy peoples, but for regular users it works well. And that's it. Now your photos are hidden from plain sight. Remember, hiding is not same as looking. If you want real security, use a secure folder or phone vault app. If this video helped, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.